Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health and well-being, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. High blood sugar levels can lead to serious complications, including cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. While diet and lifestyle changes play a significant role in blood sugar management, certain beverages can also aid in keeping glucose levels stable. This article will explore 10 super drinks that can help flush out blood sugar overnight, providing you with natural options to incorporate into your nightly routine. 1. Green tea. Why it works. Green tea is renowned for its high antioxidant content, particularly catechins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Drinking green tea regularly can help regulate glucose metabolism, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar. How to use it. Brew a cup of green tea in the evening and allow it to steep for 3-5 minutes. For added flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey, keeping in mind that honey should be used sparingly in moderation. 2. Cinnamon tea. Why it works. Cinnamon is a spice that has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that mimic insulin, allowing cells to utilize glucose more effectively. Drinking cinnamon tea can harness these benefits while providing a warming, comforting beverage. How to use it. Boil water and add a stick of cinnamon or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. For additional benefits, combine it with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 3. Aloe vera juice. Why it works. Aloe vera juice is known for its ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve glycemic control. It contains compounds that can help reduce insulin resistance and improve lipid profiles, making it a popular choice for those managing diabetes. How to use it. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice with a glass of water. You can drink this mixture before bed to help regulate blood sugar overnight. Ensure the juice is free from added sugars for maximum benefit. 4. Lemon water. Why it works. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The acidity of lemon juice may also slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making it a smart choice for those looking to manage their levels. How to use it. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink this concoction before bedtime to help support blood sugar regulation. You can also add a pinch of salt for an electrolyte boost. 5. Turmeric latte. Golden milk. Why it works. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent, primarily due to its active component, curcumin. Research suggests that curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar levels, and decrease inflammation in the body. How to use it. To prepare a turmeric latte, combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a cup of warm almond milk or regular milk. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption and sweeten with a small amount of honey if desired. Enjoy this soothing drink before bed. 6. Apple cider vinegar drink. Why it works. Apple cider vinegar ACV has gained popularity for its potential blood sugar lowering effects. It may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Drinking ACV before bedtime can help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. How to use it. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. For flavor, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed for the best results. 7. Chia seed drink. Why it works. Chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. They also have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. How to use it. Prepare a chia seed drink by mixing 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a glass of water or almond milk. Allow the mixture to sit for 10-15 minutes until the seeds expand and form a gel-like consistency. You can add lemon juice or a splash of fruit juice for extra flavor. 8. Berry smoothie. Why it works. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, making them a great addition to any blood sugar-friendly diet. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. How to use it. Blend a handful of mixed berries with unsweetened almond milk or Greek yogurt. Add a tablespoon of flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. Enjoy this smoothie in the evening for a tasty and nutritious treat. 9. Coconut water. Why it works. Coconut water is a hydrating beverage that contains electrolytes and nutrients beneficial for overall health. It has a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels while providing hydration. How to use it. Drink a glass of unsweetened coconut water before bed. Ensure that you choose pure coconut water without added sugars or flavors for the best results. 10. Herbal infusions. Why it works. Various herbal infusions, such as chamomile, hibiscus, and dandelion tea, can support blood sugar balance. These herbs possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. How to use it. Choose your favorite herbal tea and brew it according to package instructions. Enjoy it warm in the evening to help promote relaxation and support blood sugar management. Conclusion. Incorporating these 10 super drinks into your nightly routine can help flush out excess blood sugar and promote better overall health. Each of these beverages offers unique benefits, ranging from improved insulin sensitivity to enhanced hydration. However, it's important to remember that no single drink can replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. To achieve optimal blood sugar control, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, regular physical activity, and stress management techniques. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. By making informed choices and incorporating these super drinks into your routine, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and overall wellness.